What is up, guys? Welcome to another motovlog. It's been a minute, man, and we're back with a brand new Z900. It's a 2025 model. You know, it's the same thing as the 2026 model, but I think the 25 just looks better. It has better color schemes. I wasn't a fan of the gold frame that the 26 has, so just stuck with the 25 here. I have it on rain mode right now. Trying not to go crazy with the power. The roads are salty after all, and you know, I still got brand new tires, so that's something to consider. It's low 40s right now. Definitely warmer than previous days. I'm not gonna go crazy with the RPMs today. Definitely just gonna be highway, well, normal speed limit for today. Yeah, man, it's refreshing to get back on a inline 4. You know, for the last two bikes I've had, or the last bike I had, I mean, I was on a V-twin, the legendary SV650, but you know, unfortunately I had to sell it. And I told myself, you know what, I'm not gonna get a bike for a while, but the itch, you know, I need a bike in my life, so I just decided, screw it, I'm just gonna go and finance a Z900, you know, because I do miss the inline 4 for its smooth engine, you know, nice smooth power delivery, lots of power. But of course, right now for today, I'm rocking rain mode right now, so it's about like 60% power. So the full power of the Z9 is like 126 or something, 125 horsepower, but with rain mode, it caps it to like 60%, which is roughly around like 90-ish horsepower, 95. So it's still, you know, a good amount of power. Definitely significant, way more than the SV. You know, yeah, but definitely taking it easy for this ride. Just gonna do quick rides for now, breaking the engine, you know, don't punish it too much. But I'm telling you, man, even with the 6th gear here, it's got some smooth power, man. That's what I like about this thing. It's very smooth, and the best part is, check this out. Look, cruise control. How do I set this? I forgot how to do it. There we go, cruise control. Look at that. No hands. Crazy, bro. Yep, try not to go too high on the RPMs. Wow. Even with rain mode on, it's got some punch, I gotta say. Alright, let me try that shit again. Alright, we're gonna cruise at, let's say, here, 65 miles an hour. There we go, or 60. You know, nice and smooth. Very, you know. No fucking hands, bro! I fucking love cruise control. This is gonna be nice on the long highway rides, man, up north. Woo! It's gonna be so good. It's unreal, man, to purchase a bike with cruise control. It's like I never thought I'd own a bike with one, but here it is, man. Woo! Hard work pays off, man. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. It's kind of, you know, I don't want to depend on it too much, especially on these like twisty kind of roads here. Woo, feels good, bro. By the way, guys, you like my gloves? My brown gloves here? Feels good. Looks good. I still got to get a new phone mount for this thing. Woo. I love how like more upright this thing feels. Well, it does have a little bit of a lean, but not too bad. stick to this lane. Wow, this feels good, man. Wow. So smooth, baby. Woo! I can't wait to, like, you know, break it in completely and, you know, redline it. Right now, I'm just taking it easy, like I said earlier. We're gonna run it through some multiple heat cycles so that the cylinders are all good, you know. Actually, north. That's south. I gotta take the other one. It also has a quick shifter up and down, but I haven't really tested it out yet. I'll play around with it when the, you know, when I finally get it, you know, broken in completely, I mean. Oh yeah. I'm also not trying to like exercise the extreme angle, you know, because don't want to break it. Also, this thing has like 6-axis IMU, basically traction control around the corners, which is amazing, you know. Alright, we're good here. We got the BMW up ahead. With this bike, we could definitely punish some M3s. I think this thing has like a power to weight ratio of a Ferrari, what is it, 485 Italia, I think. So it's pretty powerful of a bike. Unfortunately, I can't really, you know, throw punches with that thing right now, the BMW up ahead, because I'm in braking period, baby. Wow, this thing got pull. Well, they could swim a little bit. Wow. It's got some power, baby. Wow. This is only rain mode, bro. Crazy. This is so fun, bro. My God, I really miss riding. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm trying not to. These tires are still new and cold. Wow, this is so fun. I'm just doing basic riding, nothing crazy. Wow, 6th gear has some power. Woo! It's refreshing to ride a bike that doesn't require you to wring it out to have, you know, some good acceleration. The SV on the highway, I really had to like redline it just to experience some sort of, you know, significant pull from it. But this one is just like 6th gear, not the downshift. I just twist the throttle and boom, I'm accelerating pretty quick, you know. It's lovely, man. It's lovely. Man, all I can say is hard work pays off, bro. It really does. Woo! Super fast, baby. I'm gonna zoom in at 6th gear. I don't have to shift. Wow, so nice. Love the rain mode, bro. Well, guys, short video. Peace out, you know. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to do more rides with this thing, you know. Feels good.